Hi guys, this is Hannah and I'm going to teach you guys who don't know how to make rainbow balloon bracelets how to make them. They're so simple. If you don't know how to make them, I'm going to teach you. So first, you got to twist this band and just like this, just once. And then you get another one, you don't twist it, you just put it right on here. Then the bottom one, you do this. Then you get a third one, you do the same thing. You don't twist it though. Then you get your fourth one, you don't twist it. It's so simple. This is so simple. I got taught this in a after school club I went to. And if you guys don't know where to get these, get them at Michaels or michaels.com. They're very cheap there. They're like $3. That's all. And you guys can also make patterns if you want, which I'm pretty much making right now. I'm going pink, orange, blue, purple, pink, orange, blue, purple. So yeah. And so yeah, just like this. And then if you guys don't know how, and then I'm going to show you guys how to put it together, how to put it together to make a ring or a bracelet or a necklace or a choker. They're great gifts, and if you guys are having a garage sale soon, you can make them and sell them as at a garage sale, at that garage sale, and just sell the rings for like 50 cents, maybe bracelets for like $1, and stuff like that. There. Now you have a ring for your baby sister or big sister, or if you have a brother who likes to wear rings, or you have it for your parents, and you can give them as gifts to friends. These are what these are for. These are what they're. See, this is a homemade bracelet, and it's fishtail double. So I'm going to teach you how to make a fishtail. Simple. So what you guys do is just get two, you twist it, get another couple, get another two, don't twist it, put the bottom one over this one, and keep going. Simple. Simple as that. If you guys don't know how to make a bracelet, and these are on my two fingers, these two fingers. It's very easy to make it on your fingers. It's easier than when you do it on those things. I forgot what they're called, but it's easier. It's much easier, because then you don't have to like bend down low. And just sit straight up. So easy. I really like making these. I make them a lot. I've made a lot. I can show you guys a few that I've made. So yeah. This could be like a ring for a friend, or you could finish it up and make it as a bracelet, or do anything. Do anything with these. You could do anything with these. So yeah. And yeah. See? So simple. You can wear it. And now you have a new ring or bracelet or necklace or choker. You can make chokers out of these. I made a couple, and show them to your friends. Then you can teach them. Then you can teach them how to make them. Bye.